One of features that is really useful to have in your Roblox game is an FPS counter. So today I will show you how to set up an FPS counter. Okay, first create a GUI in third GUI and add a label and call it label or whatever. I just made a simple GUI here. And let's add a local script inside the label. Let's call it FPS main. I don't know. It can be really anything. Okay, so let's start with local run service, and now let's get local label equals script.parent. So that's the label we're gonna set the FPS counter. Next, we're going to do this if statement, then add these three variables: frames rendered to 0, last update equals to tick minus update rate, and update multiplier equals to 1 divided by update rate. Then we will add a wall run service render step function. I just wrote it before, so I'll just copy it here. But let me change this to label, and yeah, that should be cool. So run service.render step, that is basically every frame that happens in the Roblox game. Here is the current time, which is the tick, and here is a simple if statement. Then we round that frames rendered times the update multiplier. And also here you can, I forgot, local update rate equals to 1. How much do you want to refresh it every second? So yeah, and then we're gonna set the label, its text, to the FPS, and we're gonna add the FPS text. You don't need to have that, you can just delete it like this, but I want the FPS. So let's test the game. Let's click on play and let's see. Okay, it works. You see, it's running on 240 FPS and around that. If we go to the Roblox settings, you can see maximum frame rate. You can change that, for example, to 120, and it's going to change. You can see it's now capped at 120. Sorry. For example, 145, 144. See? And the maximum that Roblox supports. So yeah, it works. It's good for FPS games because, you know, FPS. So this is a little feature. It's really good to have in your games. So then you can do label. You can align it to right. You can scale it down a little bit. Put it to the corner. Maybe a little bit down. Like this. And boom, now we got a FPS counter that's not blocking the screen. So be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!